Hey everybody, I just want to show you what I got going on down here in the lair. I took all the hides down on the wall and I'm framing it up. I'm going to build a pallet wall to go along with the pallet bar and pallet bar stools. I just wanted to show you, I just got done framing it all up. I just want to show you what it looks like, so bear with me. So all these pieces, this is going to be completely built out of pallets. These are the risers that go between the boards, and I just joined them here, leveled them up, put a screw through the floor joist up here. But every one of these is, like I said, 100% pallet wood. I had to go around this. I'm covering up this, the reason I'm off so far off the wall is because I'm going to cover up this drain pipe. That's what the hides were all hanging from. So that's going to be covered. You won't have to see that no more. I drilled cement anchors into the floor to hold the board on the bottom. So I mean, it's super solid. It's not going to go anywhere. Here's the bar. Like I said, everything looks a lot different now, but I'm hoping within a couple days, or maybe I'm hoping today to get it done. But I'll bring it back along when I get some progress going. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's all my boards that from the pallets that I took apart. That's a big pile of boards. I think I got plenty. Some of them, it might have a little damage to the ends or whatever. So I'll just put them on the old chop saw and cut them off. But I took these out. Some of them were a little bit dirty. All I did was tear them off the pallet. But I took them out, laid them on the driveway and pressure washed them, the ones that were dirty at all. So they're all pretty good shape on at least one side, if not, you know, both. But we'll get them up there. I gotta get the air compressor down there and the brad nailer and start putting them up. Bring you back when I get going. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, I'm back. I got the first 2 rows up of the pallet boards, and then I remembered, if you're gonna put this over a white wall, you're gonna want to put something behind it, like some I'm just using roofing felt here, but put that behind it, that way you can't see the white between the cracks in the boards. I just wanted to throw that in there. I forgot it myself when I started building this. So got the felt up now. I'll run up to there and then I'll put another course up and then keep on going. Try to get her done today. That'd be nice. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, just want to show you where I'm at right now. Getting ready. I'm up to the top of the felt, so I'm getting ready to put another roll on, another roll of the felt across there. I just wanted to show you where I'm at before I put that up, so you could still see the studs and everything. But it's all just random wherever they come out, and then I cut them off at the other end and then use the other end to start with, and trying to keep them all the same width or height, that way it doesn't screw that up. But it's coming along pretty good. It's really looking nice. I can't wait to get it done. But I'll put up another roll of felt and keep going. I'll bring it back when I'm done. Take care. All right, everybody, finally just got this all done. I'm so happy. It's been a long day. I started about 6:30 this morning. It's like 4:30 in the afternoon now, but it's complete. I'll show it to you. I didn't mention, I was using this air-powered brad nailer to just nail them, and I wasn't ending them all on a stud. If they didn't end on a stud like this, I would just toenail down through the top and then into the one below it. I mean, it's just random. There's nothing perfect about it, and that's the beauty of it. The thing that you do want to do is make sure you have the same width of your boards in a row, because if you get them stepped off like this, you know, I got a gap, but that's why you put the roofing felt behind there, so you can't see through there. But I mean, you're gonna have some gaps, but I try to minimize it as much as possible by just keeping the boards the same width through the whole row. So I just wanted to show you that. I really appreciate you watching. This is this is going to look really nice. I'm going to get the hides back up, and I'm going to get the ceiling done here and everything. Then this bar is going to be pretty much done. So can't wait to get the hides back up, like I said, and I just can't wait to be complete and then have this all down here. And I'll get my Larson layer sign back up here, and we'll be back in business and start doing some live streams down here or something. So appreciate everybody watching. I hope this helps you. I mean, it's not very hard. It's basically free except for the nails, because everything I have here is built out of a pallet of some part of the pallet that I get from work that they're going to throw out anyway. So yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this, but it is a lot of work. The hardest part of it is taking the pallets apart without splitting the wood. That took me a while to figure that out. But other than that, I'm very happy with it, the way it turned out. So thanks for watching, and good luck with everything.